Caramel bonbon, one of the most delicious bonbon. A lot of people like and love the texture of the caramel. In this recipe, we make caramel with so easy way. Just one caramel, chocolate, and the flavor inside your heart, inside your brain. You will not forget this recipe, and also it's so easy. In beginning, we sprayed the mold red, green, and orange. So 100 gram cacao butter. We added 10 gram red or 10 gram yellow or 10 gram green. I use Sosa or Deco Relief chocolate color. I spray as you see, and then I leave it overnight. Then I cover with white cacao butter. It's the same recipe. 100 gram cacao butter melted, 10 gram of white color. Then I fill the mold with tempering chocolate. I shake it to remove the bubbles. I leave it 50 to 70 seconds just to make light shell. After that, I remove the excessive chocolate. I leave it overnight to crystallization. So normally I make all ganache and spray one day before. Then we have 250 fresh cream. I just make it hot with pinch of vanilla. And other casserole, I added 230 gram of sugar. I don't need to boil the fresh cream with vanilla. I not just want it hot. And the other pan, I added the sugar to be caramelized. 230 grams, just sugar, no water, no any liquid. When the fresh cream is hot, I stop or I close the stove, so I just want it warm. Here we go. 230 grams of chocolate becomes dark caramel. Very important, the dark caramel, so you have more taste and flavor of caramel. You mix it to dissolve all the crystallization of the sugar to be like syrup. We add it in one pan. When it cooled down 46 Celsius, I added 106 gram of room temperature butter, and then I added 40 gram of dark chocolate. Better to add melted dark chocolate. And here we have chocolate caramel ganache. Chocolate caramel ganache, it's not so sweet like caramel, and you have really good balance between the sweetness of the caramel and sourness of the dark chocolate. Very important to melt it, as you see, to have the chocolate ganache. Feel free if you want added more chocolate to have it more balanced. I leave it overnight, and second day I just feel my beautiful chocolate caramel ganache. Then I cover it with the chocolate tempering. I cap all the mold. Feel free if you see something missing, you can add it more chocolate. I cover it with tempering chocolate. Here we go, plastic transfer, and then I remove the excessive chocolate. I wish you love this chocolate. Try it and leave comment down and let us know your opinion.